discuss the topic that all about teaching with technology. The technology has changed the world. For me, yes, because technology brought many things that is important. How we use makes the difference. Effects of technology on learning and teaching. So technology brought many effects to us, and what the experience it teaches us. Why we use technology? First is an interactivity. It is the ability of the computer to respond to a user's input. Next, content delivery or revision. It is also called content distribution or content caching. It can enable faster delivery. Third, managing learning and resources. Through the use of technology, we can gather learning and also it can help us. Fourth, collaboration and communication. Through the use of technology, the learners can collaborate and communicate with each other. Next, sense of choice. Variety of teaching and learning preferences. Through technology, we can gather many learnings that is very useful. And the last one, formative and summative assessment. How does it help? Allows students more control over own learning. Allows lectures to guide each lesson. Allows students to build up knowledge. Can provide some really engaging learning experiences. Teachers can provide scaffolding and safety nets. At risk, students can be identified more quickly. Collaborating can be very well supported. So technology helps the students and teachers to enhance their learning, build knowledge. They have a guide. They will engage, and the most important is the collaboration. Integrating internet-based technology into teaching learning. Reasons for using technology in education. Provides opportunities for more learner-centered instruction. Permits instruction to be contextualized. Allows students explore, make mistakes, and learn. Lead actively and interactive modes of instruction. Results in greater collaboration, cooperation, and small groups. The technology can provide many opportunities. Instructions. It can allow the student explore and learn, and also the students and teachers may collaborate, cooperate so that they will achieve the one goal. Best practices in higher education. Good practice encourage contact. Contact between student and teacher. Good practices uses active learning techniques. Learning techniques must be resolved so that your students encourage to listen. Good practice develops reciprocity and cooperation. Cooperation must be in the class. Good practice give prompt feedback. Ask the student if they have a feedback to the discussion. Technological teaching. It includes the use of media tools. It also involves differing media types. Example of this is the PowerPoint for student classroom or the learning management system. We need technology. Technology ushers in fundamental structural changes, can integral to achieve improvements in productivity. Use it to support both teaching and learning. We need technology so that we can learn, explore, and gather some important things. Teaching infuses. Teaching infuses classrooms with digital learning tools like the computers, laptop, and so on. Blended learning. Cooperate face-to-face and online learning opportunities. The degree which online learning takes place. The way it is integrated into the curriculum. Also, it is a style of education in which students learn via electronic and online media. Strategy of blending. It utilized to accommodate students' diverse learning, enable them to work before or after school. They use synchronous and asynchronous class. Synchronous class, the students and the teacher meet through online, while asynchronous class, the students and the teacher will not meet, and that's the time that the students do their activity. Instructional technology become important part of teaching and learning. It became part within the classroom and working with the learner. Technology influences learning. It can enhance teaching and learning practices. Students constantly interact with technology. Through technology, the learners can influence because the technology have an important things that they want to know. Like they can research the topics that they assign. Technology facilitates only. Learning is seen as essentially social process, requiring communication among learner, teacher, and others. This social process cannot be replaced by technology. Learning is like a social process. It will require communications to others. Learner-centered teaching. As we as teachers losing out, include the learner in decisions like the instructions and so on. Acknowledge, respects, and accommodate. You make sure that you may acknowledge, respect the students or the teacher. Treat learners as co-creators in teaching and learning. You must treat the students as the co-creators. PowerPoint. Be simple or simplify different material. Use a supplement, not the entire presentation. Focus on learning, not technology. When we make a PowerPoint, be sure that you must pick the important words, terms, or details that the students and learners can understand. More important PowerPoint tips. Basic rules of usage. Humans see graphic first, then text. Keep information in a logical flow. 6 points or less per slide page. Use large type consistently, minimum 24 points. Employ other media board at overheads if possible. Be sure that when you make a PowerPoint, the learners can see first the graphics, then the text. Then the information must be logic. And last of all, you must follow this rule in making a PPT. Integrating internet-based technology into teaching or learning. Internet-based technology. Internet-based. It is used to describe activities that are done using internet. Internet. A vast computer network linking smaller computer networks worldwide. Email. Messages distributed by electronic means from one computer user to one or more recipients via network. Listserv or discussion board is a general term for any online bulletin board. Video conferencing. Telecommunication in the form of a video conference. Whiteboards. A white paper board with white surface used for teaching or presentations. Personal Data Assistance or PDA is a variety mobile device which functions as a personal information manager. Infusing technology into classroom. How is technology used as a tool to enhance education? First, communicate. Second, collaborate. Third, content engagement. Fourth, organizational management. Fifth, expand and maximize learning view. Sixth, favorite online resources. Through these different tools, students and teachers can have a knowledge. They can collaborate and also they can communicate to each other in order to achieve the goal. Technology integration. The goal is to use technology seamless. Seamless means smooth and continuous, with no apparent gaps or spaces between one part and the next. The technology provides variety of ways to learn. Implement, integrate, and use. Seamless technology is an innovative concept introducing clothing almost free of seams. Participate in technology-based instruction. Storyboard of a lesson plan. It is used to help the teacher to visualize. Scaffolding templates is a technique used in the AppsNet you visit to generate basic code operations. How to step by step. It is important so that the student will know how to organize. Infuse resources, finding software, equipment, people. Then allow flexibility and rule shift. Top 10 integration tips. First, start a lesson you are very familiar. When you make a lesson, you must be sure that you will start the lesson that you familiar. Focus on the learning objective. For example, your lesson is adjective. Make sure that you focus only in the adjective. Third, make interactive and fun. Example, start with your lesson with a prayer and after that, games. Fourth, problem-based activities will engage, make relevant. Engage with your students on how to solve, or you may teach them or give examples how to solve that problem. Do it yourself first. Fifth, build relationship. 6. Talk about copyright often. Know the standards. 8. Revise teaching style to accommodate technology. 9. Use your observations and video demonstrations. 10. Tap into your students' creativity. It is very, very important. Integrating internet-based technology into teaching learning. Adult education, teacher success indicators. Increase number of Teachers incorporating of technology. Increase satisfaction level of learners with support. Increase opportunities for all adult learners. Internet-based technology is important to the teachers because they can give an information to the learner. Integrating internet-based technology into teaching adult learners success indicators. Increase number of learners incorporating of education. Increase satisfaction level of learners. Increase opportunities for children and spouses. So, it is also important to the adult learners so that they can gather information. 4 key areas in technological teaching. First, increase motivation. It comes from one's desire to achieve and obtain a goal. Advanced topic mastery. Through technology, the learners will be advanced. Students acting as experts. Students can bring specialized knowledge about particular subject. And the last one, better outcomes on standardized tests.